That side don't look too bad until I can't cut a straight line. Hey guys, welcome back. I think tonight, probably keep it kind of short. We are going to flip the dash over and get the backside cleaned and painted. And if we got time, which I think we will, I'm going to move over here and start getting this area taken care of and moving down. Maybe all I get to today. It does feel pretty nice out here though, but the other things I need to do. We still need to finish grinding this out, grinding it down, making it look nicer in general, and doing the back side, and same thing with that over there, which I'm saying it looks like something's already over the seam. The kick panel on this side covers that seam, so that worked out pretty good. So we'll just have to get it on that side there. But also, if we have time, I'd like to start getting this. Getting this ground down and just cleaned up and painted as well, because we're going to reuse that. But other than that, just a lot of little stuff. Like I said, knock the rust off paint. And if we got time, we'll do this. And the next time we'll probably finish up the braces here on the back side. And may not get to that one since there's screws right where that piece of metal is going to be. So we'll either dive in here and start sanding down all that rust. Need to pull the transmission out. Anyways, sanding all the rust, getting it ready for some primer. And I think next maybe 3 videos out, we're going to start working on the International. We're going to pull the engine transmission out. So I'm wanting to get the dash in here, because I got a feeling that that diesel engine is going to go right here, basically where that one is, kind of probably on a tire, and then try to sell it. I don't even know if anybody wants to buy it. Anyways, do that way we can try to mock this engine up in there and see what kind of motor mounts we need, and what kind of transmission, like cross member, we need to support the back of the transmission up. And then hopefully once we get that in, we can start attaching everything to it, getting the radiator, need to get it checked, wiring kit. But I mean, I got some money now we can throw into it. But I just want to get the dash back in the Bronco, and then we have some room over here to put that diesel engine. Enough of me rambling on. Let's turn dash over. This is what it looks like. Let's dry. Turned out pretty nice. We're gonna flip it over, start on the back, and then make our way to the Bronco here and start getting that underside taken care of. So let's get to work. Well, we uncovered a bit of rust. This ain't too bad. I think I can probably weld that up and fill that in. That's where a screw went, I believe. I think. I have to put the dash back up here and see. It looks pretty thin though from this side. I don't know if you can tell. Might just be better off replacing this little piece here. And then over here it gets worse. See, there's holes through here. I want to keep that. So I may try to weld right here, then cut this out, put a piece here, and cut that out, put a piece there. May weld up that hole, may weld up that hole. I know there's screw holes, which I think these are them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they screw in from this side. I think those are where those went, so I think we're okay with patching all that, which that means I'm going to start over here, put some weld in here, put a little bit of weld in that, and we'll start building it back up from this side, and we'll work our way across. Probably won't get to painting this tonight, but we will weld it up a little bit, and we may clean that dash off and paint it and get it ready, so when we get this ready we can put it back on it. Those are the only spots I've seen that need welded, so let's get the welder out and we'll start over here, like I said, and work our way that way. Or I may start over here and then jump over there and finish off with this piece. Anyways, let's get to welding. You can probably see I ain't making no progress, so we're gonna cut it out and replace it. It's pretty bad on that side, so Well, the GoPro died on me again, but we got this piece in at least. That side don't look too bad until I can't cut a straight line. This side don't look super bad, but there's, I don't know, but it's in there. I mean, rust is gone. We'll take care of that, and down there next time, hopefully. But and hopefully next time we'll paint the dash over there. But yeah, that's kind of finding where the rust is, and we found quite a bit. So we'll have to concentrate on this once we get all the rust fixed, and this side painted, dash back painted. We can put the dash on, like I said, pull the engine and transmission out of this, set it on a tire where the straight six is now, and hopefully get the straight six kind of in there-ish, so we can maybe get that going soon. But looks like I can't do that until we get the dash in. Yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I didn't expect to find rust back here, but we did, so now we gotta take care of it. Seems like the more you grind and sand and dig, you'll find rust. But if you gotta know, I'm doing a challenge. If I get 50 more subscribers, which I'm up to 456 now, I believe. If I get to 500, I'll eat a world's hottest chocolate on camera, and kind of be like a little celebratory thing. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.